Oh, hey, what up, y'all? So if you're wanting some barbecue chicken and you don't have a grill, or it's cold and rainy outside or snowing or something, you don't want to go out there and screw around with it, I got the recipe for you right here. And this is my grandma's recipe. And in my family, that's exactly what we call it. If someone says they're making Nana's chicken, everybody knows exactly what you're having. And it doesn't take much to make it. The only thing you need is ketchup, barbecue sauce, an onion, and some chicken. And the chicken, you're going to want to go with dark meat chicken. You're going to want to do thighs or drumsticks. You can cook this in a skillet on the stove and a saucepan with a lid. I'm going to do it in my little handy dandy skillet today. That's it. Let's get to it. Alright, while that skillet's heating up, we're just going to hit these chicken thighs over here with a little bit of oil. And we'll put a little bit of spices on them. And get them in the pan here. So in here I just have about a quarter of a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. All right. Coming in, I'm going right in, skin side down. And you can do this same thing with a skillet on your stove. Right, we got those bad boys in there. And we're also going to add in our chopped up onion. I had some bell peppers left over that I needed to use up. But don't even think about telling my mama that, because you'll get me in trouble. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to fry the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Just try to get a little bit of browning on there. Alright, while this is going on, we'll get the rest of our ingredients together. You just need 1/3 of a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. In my grandmother's written recipe, it actually says on there, no fancy barbecue sauce. But this recipe's probably 75, 80 years old, probably even older than that. And it's, I mean, it's kind of funny to kind of think about what type of barbecue sauce would have been in the store at that time. So it's a third cup barbecue sauce, 1/3 cup of ketchup, and 2/3 of a cup of water. And normally what I do is after I get all this together, I'll throw it in the microwave for a minute so I can stir it together better. Alright, let me get cleaned up a little bit here. Alright, so all we're going to do is we're going to brown this chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. And then we're going to add our sauce to it, cover it, turn it down low, and just let it simmer till the meat falls off the bone.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this.
Percolate marinating time.
All night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate my myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Folks, that's it. It's a wrap. We cooked it for about an hour. We flipped it about every 20 minutes. We get a little bit of hot stuff on there. Get a bite. See what we got here. Wow. As good as a mother cooker right there. If you don't make this, you're missing out, and grandma's gonna be mad at you. Alright, well, thanks for swinging through the trailer hood. Thanks for making a down home country favorite here that my grandma used to make. I hope you guys give this a try. It's very good. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Until next time.